Namaste everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen. In today's video, Amma is sharing how she makes potato, yellow peas and Chuche Karela Achar. This is a short and easy recipe which you can eat as a snack or as a side dish. You will need to gather the following ingredients. Half a kilogram of boiled potatoes, 3 tablespoons of oil, a handful of coriander, half a lemon, 150 grams of Chuche Karela, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, salt, 1 red chilli, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 100 grams of yellow peas, 1 medium-sized onion, and 4 tablespoons of sesame powder. To begin, we will put our boiled potatoes into a big mixing bowl, followed by our yellow peas. You can even boil them or have them raw. Then Chuche Karela, which is also boiled, and some chopped red onions. Then in a preheated pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil, once the oil is hot, lightly fry the fenugreek seeds. Shortly after, add the red chilli. Then add the turmeric powder. Now quickly pour the hot mixture on top of the ingredients in our big mixing bowl. Next we will add the sesame powder. Then add the chilli powder, followed by the paprika powder. Add salt as per your preference. Add some freshly chopped coriander. Finally, you can squeeze some lemon over the mixture. Now all you have to do is marinate the mixture together. Also, as demonstrated, crush the boiled potatoes into smaller and softer pieces. The achar was a little bit dry, so Amma added some water to add a bit of moisture. And that's it, the potato achar is ready to eat. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!